Okay, so let's have this topic, addition and subtraction of radicals. So if we have these 2 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3, so take note that we can only add and subtract radicals if the same radicands. So just combine these two numbers outside. So that's 2 plus 4, that's 6, then copy this square root of 3. Then for 5 square root of 2 minus square root of 2. So since the same radicand, so we can combine these numbers outside. So we have 5 minus 1. So that's 4. Then square root of 2. Then for this 4 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 7 square root of 5. So since the same radicand, so we can combine these numbers outside. So we have 4 minus 2, that's 2, and 2 plus 7, that's 9. Then copy this square root of 5. Then for this square root of 20 plus 3 square root of 45. So first, we need to simplify the radicals. Since this square root of 20, we can rewrite this one as square root of 4 times square root of 5, then plus 3 times this square root of 45. So we can rewrite this one as square root of 9 times square root of 5. Then simplify. So square root of 4, that's 2 times square root of 5. Then plus. So we have this 3 times square root of 9. That's 3. Then square root of 5. Then we have this 2 square root of 5 plus 3 times 3. That's 9 square root of 5. Then since the same radicand, so we can combine these two numbers. So 2 plus 9, that's 11. Then copy this square root of 5. Then for this cube root of 24 minus 3 cube root of 3, then plus 2 cube root of 81. So first, we need to simplify some of the radicals. So for this cube root of 24, so we can rewrite this one as 8 times cube root of 3, because 8 times 3, that's 24. Then minus 3 times cube root of 3, then plus 2 times cube root of 81, that's cube root of 27, times cube root of 3. Then simplify. So cube root of 8, that's 2 times cube root of 3. Then minus this 3 cube root of 3. Then plus 2 times cube root of 27. So that's 3 times this cube root of 3. Then we have this 2 times cube root of 3 minus 3 times cube root of 3 plus this 2 times 3, that's 6, then this cube root of 3. So since the same radicands, so we can combine now these three numbers outside. So 2 minus 3, that's negative 1, and negative 1 plus 6, that's positive 5, then this cube root of 3. Then for this given, so if we have this square root of 8 minus square root of 27 plus square root of 12 minus square root of 50. So first, we need to simplify these radicals. So for this square root of 8, that's square root of 4 times square root of 2. Then minus this square root of 27, that's square root of 9 times square root of 3. Then plus this square root of 12, square root of 4 times square root of 3. Then minus this square root of 50, square root of 25 times square root of 2. Then simplify. So this square root of 4, that's 2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 9, that's 3 times square root of 3 plus square root of 4, that's 2 times square root of 3. Then minus square root of 25, that's 5 times square root of 2. Then combine terms with the same radicals. So we can combine these two square root of 2 and negative 5 square root of 2. So 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. Then copy square root of 2. Then for this negative 3 square root of 3 and positive 2 square root of 3, so we have negative 3 plus 2, that's negative 1, then copy the square root of 3. So this is now the answer.